the bike had been sitting for a year or more. The carburetor pilot jets were clogged up. The inside of the nice new Premier carbs were pretty cruddy. I cleaned all that, put it back together, made new gas lines, put in a new battery, and the bike is running pretty good right now. All fresh oil. We'll go over here and double check that. Real good oil flow. Bike's idling nicely. Sounds pretty good. I'll go ahead and put the side covers on it and take it for a test ride. So this was a quick get it running job. The bike had been completely redone about a year or so ago, and then sat idle for a year, and the pilot jets got all clogged up. So I put in, I cleaned the jets, cleaned the carburetors, took them off. The slides had completely stuck in the bores. So I took that out, cleaned all the carbs, put it back together, put a new battery in it because the battery was in a doornail. And it starts up. I got fresh oil in it, and it's got good oil flow, and it idles and it revs. And we'll take it out for a test ride probably tomorrow because I don't feel like doing it today. Looking pretty good. Nice Beezer.